In the spring of 2018, our washing machine broke, leaking water all over the floor, so we did laundry the old-fashioned way during the summer. It was fun and enjoyable to wash clothes outside in the summer air, hearing the birds singing, but it isn't very easy to do this come cooler weather. So in the fall of 2018, we found this RCA portable washing machine on sale at London Drugs for a very good deal. The regular price of this washing machine is $429, but we paid $269 because all they had left was the floor model. This washing machine is 2.1 cubic feet and measures 47.8 inches high to the top of the lid when open and 37 inches high when closed by 20.3 inches wide by 22 inches deep. It takes up such little space in our mobile home, it's great. This machine can be connected to a sink faucet and comes with a quick connection adapter to make this easier. Or it can connect directly to your hot and cold taps in your laundry room, and 2 water supply hoses are provided. We don't use the sink faucet because we have a hot and cold tap plumbed into our laundry area. It's good to have the option to connect to a faucet though, for if we lived in an apartment, we could save ourselves a lot of money by staying away from the laundromat. Here is the drain hose. It's going into this drain pipe here, and these 2 hoses are the hot and cold water supply hoses. They are connected to the water supply intake connections at the back of the washer. The lid can open like this, or can be folded in half so it could fit in a tight spot. Okay, let's use this thing and I'll show you how it works. First, I need to turn it on. Now we'll load up the washer. Here I am putting in a double bed fluffy blanket. You should not overload the washing tub. Never load it more than 3/4 full. If it's too full, it can reduce washing efficiency. This drawer is where the detergent goes. The only thing that is slightly annoying about this washer is that it's only designed for powdered detergent, high efficiency powdered detergent. It could be handy if it would take the liquid detergent too, but I can get over this small annoyance since this is such a great washer. Now that it's loaded, I will select my function. All 3 wash, rinse, and spin steps are included when all 3 are lit up. If you press the function button, it will change the number of steps performed. You can choose to only wash and rinse, or rinse and spin, or just wash or just spin. Next, let's select what size load we have. This is pretty full, so I'm going to select large load. So the water will fill up to a higher level to accommodate the large load. I could press this delay button if I wanted to set a delayed time for the washer to come on. This is handy because I could load the washing machine before I go to bed, then I could set the delay start so it comes on early morning. Then when I get up, the wash would be ready to hang up or go in the dryer. Now I'll select the washing program that I want. The top program is for heavy load or quick load. If the light is solid, then it's on heavy load. If I press the button, the light flashes, so now it's on quick load. I really like the quick load cycle because it's only 10 minutes long. This middle light is for washing jeans or for doing an anti-wrinkle load, and the bottom light is for the normal load or air dry. The air dry cycle can help remove some moisture from clothing to reduce drying time and cost. I'm going to choose normal, so I want this light to be solid. Now let's choose the temperature. I usually use cold water for all my loads. This screen shows me the estimated minutes for the normal wash cycle. Once I turn on the machine, it will begin counting down the minutes left on the wash cycle. This is also where the countdown for the delay start will be shown. Okay, now I'm ready to start the washing machine. Press this start pause button to start it. Here we go. If you want to pause it and add another item of clothing, press the Start Pause button again and it will pause. When you're ready to restart it, press this button again and it will resume. This is what it does if the lid gets opened during a wash cycle without being paused first. I like that this washer is so quiet. Okay, now it's draining and spitting out the dirty, soapy wash water. Now it's putting out clean rinse water, spinning and putting out water alternately. This is how it rinses the clothes on the normal wash cycle. And there it goes, spinning time. Look at how still the machine is while spinning. It's also really quiet. It's done. Let's open the lid and see how dry this blanket is. This machine always does a great job of spinning out the water. Very good. Now I'll hang it to dry. This here is the lint filter. To clean it, you just pop it out like this and you can see all this lint on it. Just throw out the lint and pop this filter back on and you're ready for your next load. It doesn't need to be cleaned after every load, but should be emptied after about every 10 loads. Also, at the very back of the washer, there is a pump filter that should be unscrewed and cleaned once every month. The only problem is that it fails to tell you in the manual that once the filter is unscrewed, water will come pouring out. So be prepared with a container of some sort to catch the water, or get someone to tip the washer forward and hold it there as you clean the filter. This is a great little machine, and I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this RCA compact portable washing machine review.